How to make Spotify transition. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Spotify on your device. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. And here, click on Playback. After you find Playback, click on Crossfade. Crossfade is the transition phase. Now, you'll find a circle slide, the circle, how many seconds you want your transition to be. As you can see, you can simply scroll through it 1 to 12 seconds transition as you want. After you select this, you're good to go. This is how to make Spotify transition. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.